I just installed this 105 inch by 70 inch, 105 inches wide by 70 inch long cellular shade that's motorized. And you can see that we've got this big picture window that overlooks our backyard, and we love the view out there. But in the evenings, we like a little bit more privacy. And the sun will start coming through this window right here in the evenings, and makes it kind of hard to watch TV or whatever you're trying to do. And so anyway, I had this custom made through Home Depot and made for this window, and I just got it installed. It's got built-in lithium batteries that power the shade, and the recharger for it I've got wired up through here, and you can see that it's just a little small wire that goes to recharge it. There's a button right here that you can push to lower the shade. It's very quiet. I have other cellular shades that are automated that are louder than this, but this one's very quiet. And it'll go all the way down, or you can stop it and bring it back up. And that is a nice way to raise it and lower it if you want to. But I also got this little remote control that comes with it. You can see it's very small. It simply has an up and down button, but you can stop it at different places, and all you have to do is press the button and lower it. And you can just see how smooth and quiet this is. This particular opaque, but still a little translucent material here, which we really like, is called wedding veil. And it's a single cell cellular shade. It means it's got single cells. And okay, well, you see there, it just stopped, and it's completely closed now. And then to raise it, just press the up button, and it'll raise up. Or if you want to stop it right there, you can stop it there and then go back up. In the evenings, it's going to be really nice because I can stop this thing about 8 or 10 inches from the top and get the bright sun out of our eyes, and at least still be able to enjoy seeing part of the backyard. So in the late evenings this time of year, I'd probably want to stop it right there. And that's the Bali 105 inch wide by 70 inch long cellular shade motorized. Thank you.